Can AI run a company better than a CEO? Let's find out. Will AI replace CEOs? It sounds unbelievable, but some companies are already letting AI make business decisions. AI can analyze market trends, customer behavior, financial reports, and supply chains in seconds, much faster than any human. So, does that mean CEOs are becoming obsolete? Not quite. Running a company isn't just about analyzing data, it's about making difficult decisions with incomplete information, negotiating with people, building trust, creating a long term vision, and taking responsibility when things go wrong. AI can recommend the best option based on data, but it can't truly understand company culture or inspire thousands of employees around a shared mission. Here's what's more likely: the CEO of the future won't compete against AI, they'll work with it. Imagine having an AI advisor that analyzes millions of data points before every meeting, flags hidden risks, and predicts possible outcomes. That's not replacing leadership, that's amplifying it. Because companies don't just need intelligence, they need judgment. And while AI is getting smarter every year, leadership is still about deciding where humans should go next.